Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel today. So today we're going to be unboxing my Bespoke Post box for February. Now this is a really unique subscription and I feel like it's cool because you get really functional items and it's always different themed boxes. So I have had the most unique products from this subscription compared to any other boxes out there. I have had frying pans, I've had cast iron pans in this box before. I've had pitchers and matching glassware. We've had seasoning. I've had pasta items from Italy. I mean, the coolest items ever are found in this subscription box, and my latest box is in today. So we're gonna do a full unboxing and check it all out. So if you guys have not seen my Bespoke Post unboxing before, this is a monthly subscription and this will retail, it costs me about $53 a month and then there is a $5 shipping fee to get it to me. I feel like it's pretty reasonable considering the items that you get in the box are reusable. They're not a single-use product, and so I always feel like I get my money's worth out of them just because I'm always reusing it. But if you guys sign up using my link down below, it is a referral link and you will actually save $20 off of your first order. If you guys decide to purchase this, you are allowed to preview your box before it ships. So typically on the very first day of the month, they will send me an email and say, hey, we've curated your box based off of your quiz. This is what we think you will enjoy the most. And you can go in and look at the box. And if you don't like it, you can actually swap it for other boxes that are available that month. Now, I usually just go with the surprise me option. The algorithm will start to learn what you like. And because I have accepted and then I went back in and said like this was a 5-star box, I loved it, I want more of it, my algorithm knows I love kitchen and cooking items, so I get a lot of recommendations for that and I'm okay with it. But they also have other things. If you are a camper or you like to go hiking, they have so many cool things for that. They have on there like backpacking gear and knives and tents and just the coolest items for that. So you can actually tailor your quiz based off of what you're interested in. And then every time you receive a box, you can go back in and review it or rate it. And the algorithm will start to send you more boxes like that then. So it's very smart. I feel like it's one of the better, because you know, there are other boxes out there that do quizzes and they don't always follow it. This one tends to follow it very well. So this is what it looks like when I open it up and it says quality finds for curious minds. What in the world? So this is what I see. Now usually there's a card, but I don't know what it is that we are making here. So usually there's a card inside of my box that tells you like the theme and what you're doing, but I don't see one in this box. So we're just gonna figure it out as we go along. So first item that I have is duck fat. That would explain why it's a little bit like greasy on the outside here. It's not a lot, but there is a little bit. It says it's premium cooking oil, kettle rendered and no added preservatives. We have 7.5 ounces and it's been inspected by the US Department of Agriculture. We have duck fat? Okay, honestly, I don't even know what you're supposed to do with duck fat. This is the most bizarre thing I've ever gotten in a box before. I mean, maybe some of you cook with this regularly and you're like, oh, Sydney, it's the best, it's gonna be great. But honestly, I'm like, I have no idea. This says that it's cage-free, gluten and milk-free, no preservatives, great for cooking up to 375. When we created the first ever line of premium handcrafted animal fats, hot packed in glass, a fat revolution. Join us, the defenders of fat, and discover why fat lovers insist on Fatworks. So that must be the brand behind this is Fatworks, and they've created this duck fat. I don't know what to do with it, but cool. I mean, this is one reason why I love this box. You're introduced to new things. You get to try new products out. All right, I'll take it. Next item that I have in here is salty caramel flavor wrapped popcorn kernels. What? Opo pop. Oh, maybe that's what it is. Opo pop? Oh my gosh. Okay. There are too many O's and P's in this brand. So this is what it looks like, and it says, "Hi, we're Oppo Pop. We believe that perfect popcorn happens one kernel at a time." Oh, are we making popcorn? Guys, I think I figured it out because you probably need the fat, and these are the kernels. I think I got it. Salty caramel kernels. I wonder how they did that. Do they roll it in salt and caramel first? Like, is that what's in here? Anyways, it says that these are individually coated using our super secret, we'd love to tell you, but then we'd have to kill you, proprietary flavor delivery process. So yes, they've rolled these kernels in salt and caramel, put it in a bag, and apparently we are making popcorn this month. They even have instructions on how to do this in the microwave, which I love. I'm so excited. This is over 11 ounces of kernels. And of course, if we're gonna make popcorn, we're going to need our popcorn maker. So this is also included in the box. It is a silicone popcorn product that you put in your microwave. It tells you how to use it exactly, but I already have one of these, so I'm pretty good with this. So because it is silicone, it can collapse flat, but you're just going to open the bowl up like this, and it should look like that. And you're gonna put your kernels down inside of this, and you can put your oil in there or butter or whatever it may be. You're gonna place the lid right on top of this. It's gonna set down in it a little bit. And as the popcorn starts to pop, it will push this up. Generally, I overfill this with too many kernels, and by the time I open up my microwave, it's like already off the top like this. So it will actually force it up. But these are great because they just go in the microwave. They're easy to clean. You can throw it in the dishwasher. Super simple, easy cleanup. Also included in my box is another popcorn kernel bag from the same brand, which I'm going to stop pronouncing now because I can't figure it out. But these ones are going to be just your plain popcorn. So you can add salt to this if you want to, but this is unsalted kernels. Wait, it says it's grown in Nebraska. How do I not know about this brand? It says, "We select only the best varieties with the exact qualities you want for your home popcorn recipes. They're grown with love in Nebraska on a family farm that's recognized for its commitment to water and soil health. Garth, the farm dog, checks on the growth progress on his daily rounds." How do I not know about these guys? I mean, you guys, like, I feel like I should know this one and I don't. I didn't know the duck fat. I don't know who this company is. I don't know who's getting this brand of corn. I don't know what's going on. I live in the Cornhusker state and I have no clue what's happening. Last item inside of our box today is going to be another bag of kernels. These are jalapenos. It is cheddar cheese and jalapenos mixed together with these kernels, and you get the jalapenos. And I feel like you get quite a bit because all three of these have been over 11 ounces of product. So that is everything for our Bespoke post box today, you guys. Comment down below. Let me know what you think of this unboxing. I told you, it's very unique, very different from my other boxes, but it's always just fun, unique items. I love that there's a lot of product in here. I do feel like this is worth the price paid only because, one, it's from a small business. The brand itself is. I love that it's supporting local farmers, even though I'm not sure which local farm it is, but I do like that. Additionally, I like that you get to try brands that aren't on your local shelves. So you get to try a different company, different flavors, and then you've got your popcorn makers, so you can always reuse this again as well. Plus, there's a buttload of popcorn in here, you guys. I mean, we saw the duck fat. Huge amount that we have there. There's a lot of kernels. This is gonna last me forever. So until next time, you guys, have a great rest of your day. Again, if you're interested in purchasing this subscription box, I will post a link down below, and you can save $20 off of your first box. But have a great rest of the day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!